For example, sino yung kailangan ng therapy before hip replacement? And this question is from Sir Keith in the AVN Warriors chat group. And may tanong ko po kung may therapy. So, a lot of patients who are going to undergo hip replacement, they do indeed have questions about physical therapy. They've been doing their research and meron pong physical therapy. For some patients, pwede yan yung strengthening exercises gawin natin before yung surgery. And others will go directly na after surgery for a hip replacement. For example, sino yung kailangan ng therapy before hip replacement? Of course, if you are able to do certain movements and exercises sa patients na sobra na yung sakit sa AVN or na-fracture na po yung hip bone, there is no necessary need for a physical therapy before surgery. Doon na yun gagawin after po nung hip replacement, after po na maoperahan. Kasi sobra yung pain in a fracture, and in certain cases of hip arthritis and hip vascular necrosis, grabe na yung pain. Hindi na kaya ng patients gagawin yung pre-surgery na physical therapy and strengthening. That is why we can actually just forgo yung therapy and do it after the surgery.